Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll show you how I usually create these cool frames in Adobe Illustrator. It's a pretty quick tip or trick, however you want to call it, so let's jump right into it. I usually just start with a line, and I do that by grabbing the line segment tool, and around the middle I'll just draw a straight line. Then I'll go to Object, Repeat, Mirror, and now you can basically grab whichever tool you want to use to draw and shape that frame and use that. I usually go with the regular brush tool. I double click on it to get the paintbrush tool options, and I usually go with smooth if I'm just using my trackpad. Otherwise I just dial it a little down if I'm using my mouse, and then more towards the left if I'm using like a tablet or something. I'm on my little tiny trackpad today, so I'll go with it smoothing my lines better. Just press OK, and then you can test run. You can see it'll repeat the same thing on this other side. You can change the options over here for the angle. Whatever you'll draw on the left side will repeat on the right side. Start creating my swirly lines. The cool thing about this is it's all vector, obviously. So all you have to do is just change one side and the other will automatically update. I usually draw it out by hand, like make a quick sketch of the frame I want to make. And then I place my image here as a reference so that I can kind of trace it. Much easier. I'll do a quick frame using one of my sketches as reference, and I'll be back with you. Right, now that we're done, I usually go back here, delete my reference. I'll go to Object, Expand, press OK. Then Object, Ungroup All, Clipping Mask, Release. And now we can delete that central line. And we have our design. I usually just unite everything. Just go to the Pathfinder and click on this little icon. This will make it in one single shape. Yeah, that's basically how I make all of my frames. The cool thing about this is it has like no background at all. So I'll show you. You can place any background in there, and it's just the line work. You can obviously fill it in if you want to, but that's the basics of it. I usually then just use these in my posters. I will basically just copy and paste them into Photoshop and then add my text in there, kind of like this. Just paste it in as a smart object. We'll add some type. This will be just pretend. I usually mix and match a couple of fonts. And to this then I'll add all the other effects and texture to make it into the posters you see in my daily designs. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys learned something new today and you enjoyed this tutorial. Feel free to comment down below if you have any requests or suggestions for next videos. Linked in the description down below are all of my texture packs, asset packs, and all that good stuff. So check that out. There's lots and lots of freebies as well. Thanks so much for watching again, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.